Alicia, and welcome to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. In today's video, I'm sharing my relaxing whole house clean with me. I'm bringing you tons of cleaning motivation to hopefully help motivate you to get some of the items that you may have on your to-do list done today. So if you are new, I'd love for you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So I like to start out in my least favorite chore, and that is cleaning my bathroom. So here I'm just cleaning my half bath. So first thing I'm going to do is clean the mirror with my Method glass cleaner, and then I'm taking everything off the counter and spraying it down with my Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner in the Centron scent. I'm doing a little more laid-back cleaning today because I'm not scrubbing the baseboards or the walls or anything like that. I'm just getting things tidied up for the week.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here.
Okay, so now I'm going to clean my toilet. I'm using the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner and let that sit so it can fully disinfect while I wipe the other surfaces with my Method spray. I know everyone loves those Clorox toilet bowl wands, but I haven't brought myself to purchase those ones because they are like a whole $10 or $11 for those ones. But I have to say, I was watching Jessica's channel and she used the wand for more than just a toilet. She also used it to clean her sink. So before using it in the toilet, so I thought that was a great idea by finding a multi-purpose use for that cleaning tab. So, I just might have to break down and spend the $10 because I hear everybody rave about those. And I'm sure it's much cleaner and it's much easier than having to spray and then using this little scrubber over and over again.
I swear that I'll stay.
So here I'm just picking up my bath rug and these hand towels, and I'm moving on to putting the bath rug and the towels in the washer. I also had some sheets that was already in the washer that needed to go in the dryer. So I'm putting the comforter from Chase's bed and the rugs in here now. You guys, I don't have a whole laundry routine to share with you today, but this is my laundry routine for my bedding from whenever I do clean the room. I try to throw the bedding in there, and you guys know I have to use my Lysol laundry sanitizer in every single load because that stuff is amazing. I cannot rave about it enough.
Here with you. Hold me close.
So here, before I sweep and mop the floors, I'm just wiping these shelves down because I'm pretty sure it's really dusty up here because I don't get to it all the time. And you guys, I burned this candle that was up here on the shelf sometimes, and I can actually see a little soot that's on the walls. So I'm going to also wipe the walls down too, so that I can get that soot off the walls as well.
I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Okay, so here I'm just moving on to cleaning off the kitchen table. You guys, this area I have to clean pretty much daily, and it's not just from dinner. As I mentioned in my previous video, the part 1 of my messy house cleaning video, that Chase asthma was coming on. So this little red well that's here is his nebulizer machine to dispense his medication, and I have to put, and everything else is pretty much school related, like these headphones. He's writing a story for school, and they pretty much work on this every day. And then these multiplication fact cards. Yeah, so let's clean this up together.
Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. I know I messed up. Yeah, I know
I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I get overwhelmed by all the chores that I need to get done in a day from distance learning. I do work from home right now, cleaning and making dinner, etc. So we're going to just keep going and doing this day by day and room by room and tackling each thing together. By now, Chase bedding is done, so I'm going to grab that from the dryer and make up his bed. His whole room cleaning was in my part 1 cleaning video, so if you missed it, you can go check it out. I'll put it in the description box below.
Did you wrong, but I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect, but at least give me a try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance.
Okay, so here I have cleaned this part of the kitchen, and now I am moving on to this part of the kitchen. We had pizza and french fries for lunch on this particular day, so that's still on the counters along with the crumbs from that. And then I have some boxes that I need to take care of. So first thing I'm going to do is clean off all of the counters and put these Amazon boxes away until I'm ready for them. And then I'm going to load the dishwasher. Since being at home, we're cooking more and more and just ordering in. So I have to load the dishwasher more often than I normally would. But I usually load the dishwasher at night and then I'll upload the next morning. Then throughout the day, I just load it and do a wash before dinner, or depending on how full it is and what happened throughout that particular day. And that's pretty much what I've been doing for the kitchen, and that has been working for us.
Yeah, baby, try just one more night, then make up your mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. We used to be strong, love. Don't forget where you're coming from. A heart like that, don't give up that easily. I wanna see you be mad, yeah, get mad at me. I'm sorry for...
You know, you guys, I was just thinking, let me know if you've made any really good meals being home so much and maybe not eating out as often as you normally would. If you have any ideas, please send them my way. I would love to know. And also, let me know if you guys like seeing like dinner inspo here on YouTube, like cook with me's or like a quick crock pot meal idea. Comment below and let me know if you would like to see that here on my channel as well.
Making you feel like you're me a chance. Yeah, baby, try, try, try. Just one more night, then make up your mind, mind, mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. Try, try, try. Try, try, try. Try, try, try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance. Yeah.
Okay, so that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you got tons of cleaning motivation. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next few days.